Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit resume on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter job seeker account, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to know the Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to edit resume on Ziprecruiter. So from your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have this three dots menu. So go ahead and click on that, and there you have profile, resume, job alerts, notification, account settings, mobile app, blog, support, and sign out. Now I'd like you to click on resume. It's going to take you to your profile window. Please, not now. So this is my resume. Click on this X button and go all the way back into this profile. So taking it to where I have resume. So this is my resume already updated. If you want to edit it, you can see this edit and delete tab. So go ahead and click on edit. Now it says uploading a new resume replace your existing profile and content. Are you sure you want to continue? So editing means replacing your resume. So go ahead and click on yes, upload. Now select the resume and select open. It's uploading the resume. If you want to edit your work experience, you can go ahead to do that, but I'm just going to go the way back because I don't want that. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can edit your resume on Ziprecruiter. So you edit your resume by completely replacing it with something else. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.